Hey guys, we are gonna do some macaroni and cheese, homemade style, because this is my first time doing it, kind of. Remember, I made that one horrible macaroni dish. Come with me to get all the ingredients. Hey, look who came to join me for my Walmart trip. Yeah. What?
Oh no! I'm looking hard.
Oh please. Your hair's done. You didn't come in pajamas like typical people.
This is not pajamas.
No, I said you didn't.
Uh-oh.
Calm down. Help me find evaporating milk. I've been here for like 20 minutes by myself trying to figure this out. I'm over here wearing the mask and she's not wearing anything. She wants to get wave 2 coronavirus, okay? Point to the milk. Point to the milk.
So we got the Great Value, which, you know, it is like the cheap side for Walmart. But I think you want to go with the good ingredients with the extra fat.
Wait, are you kidding me? I go Great Value all the time.
You already did the Great Value cheese. Just go with go with that good cow, you know?
Okay. Yes, okay. Food stamps paying for this anyway.
That's good, right? Okay, but how many cans do you need?
I'll do 2 for now because I'm just gonna make 2 batches, one now and eventually another one later. Got Monterey Jack, mozzarella cheese, mild cheese cheddar, sharp cheese cheddar. We got our sticks of butter. We got our cans. We got our elbows. Oh my god. And then we got our pan because I don't have anything, so this will be for my future home. Measuring cups because you know homegirl gonna be cooking all the time and baking, maybe. We're adding 1 tablespoon of salt to the macaronis. Add 1 tablespoon of oil to the macaronis. This is 1 tablespoon. Also following the video as I go so that way I don't mess up. I'm gonna mix it around here. Our macaroni cooking, butter that's slowly melting. Got our eggs, and now we gotta cut up the cheese. Half-baked macaronis to drain them out. We're gonna preheat the oven to 350. Got our butter in there. Our milk. Eggs. Don't mind the way the cubes look. I cut them down myself with my hands. Put this bad boy in for 15 minutes and we will come back so that way we can stir it and make sure it's blended nicely through. That crap was like so stressful. Because when you're trying to get out all the ingredients and hurry up, and then the macaroni's cooking this, I had most of my ingredients out, but I wasn't like completely done with them, so I should have waited to do the macaroni until all my ingredients were out and ready and prepared. I forgot to show you when I pulled it out in 15 minutes how it looked. It looked really weird and dry and cubes all over the place. Okay, after 30 minutes, this is how it looks. Here we have it. Please let this be perfect. Oh my god. Do you see that? Do you see that? Am I cook? Oh, let's try it out. You already know we're gonna do the taste test. We're gonna do the taste test. Whew, I'm scared. Let's just grab. Ooh, still sizzling. By the way, I burned my hand, so it's freaking burning right now. Of course. Let's see how this looks. All those cheeses. Okay, not bad, not bad. This is kind of how like the Chick-fil-A one looks because it's all crispy. Ooh, look at all that. Okay, let's see. Ink. Looks a little messy, but we gotta do the taste test. That was a lie. It was terrible. The first few bites, especially with the chicken strips, was amazing. But no, it was just terrible. But one day I will be a great cook. Hold on. Yes. We did it. Oh my god. It is so good. I taste like all the different cheeses. The macaroni is nice and soft. It's not too gooey, but just a good crunch. I swear this tastes just like Chick-fil-A. Oh my god.
Hey there, guys! I got some mac and cheese I'm gonna try. First off, this presentation looks delicious. I already have a piece waiting for me right here. One, sadly, I am not a mac and cheese kind of gal, but I'm excited to try it. Okay. Look at you. It's good. I think it was a little overcooked, but not by much. But it was good. I mean, it's good. It's good. It's good. Okay. Look at you, girl.
Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like and comment. Tell a friend to subscribe. Share this video with others. Keep on growing with the Yaya fam. Thank you so much for everyone who is supporting. Tell a friend to subscribe, and guys what? Blessed day. Bye. I love mac and cheese.